but I know it's a push to start car, so why do we even use it?
You know, Lex, that's a really great question. In fact, a lot of customers have the same questions you do specifically about this key. So I'll tell you what, how about we go outside and I show you?
Awesome.
All right, let's do it. All right, Lexi, so this specifically is on a 2018 Equinox. So it's got a push button start with the keyless entry. So in the event that the battery actually dies on the key fob, how do you actually get in the car, right?
Yeah.
So we press the button here, this key comes out, and I want you to place your finger under here. Do you feel that slit, that opening?
Yeah.
Just big enough for a key?
Oh, it's for the key?
You got it.
Oh, man.
So you take the key, you insert it here, and then we pop out the plastic piece that's here, give it a little bit of a shimmy, drop it in, unlock the door, and then we open up. Awesome. Unlock the door, and then we open up. Then you're in. Now, Lexi, to put the cap back on, real simple, like so. Okay. Line it up here, bring the handle slightly out, and we're just gonna insert it back in. Give it a nice little tug.
Perfect.
Backside, and you're in.
There you go.
Just like that.
Boom, boom, boom.
Just,
Love it.
just like that. This is Automotive Point Man signing off with how to use the key from your fob to get in your vehicle. And I had a help today from Lexi. Just wanted to say thank you
Anytime.
for coming in for the video. All right, guys, we'll see you soon. Thanks.